Iron Mountain has built its reputation over several decades as a company people can trust. Our brand is built on reliability, sustainability, security, safety, and our commitments. We feel very strongly about the responsibility for custody of our customers' most precious assets. We take very seriously our responsibility both to physically protect, but also to virtually protect our customers' data. We have taken a very aggressive approach to the way we secure our facilities from the perimeter at the extreme all the way to that actual machine. We take a security in depth approach, which means that there are several layers. At the perimeter of the facility, we'll have security officers there. We require visitors to give us notice in advance that they're coming. Then when they encounter the building, they have to sign in, and employees and other guests have to show their badges. And then as you move more closely to our data center space, there are other levels of both physical, people, and system security that protect machines that are in the data centers. We have consistent security measures that are across the entire portfolio. But then we work very closely with individual customers. If there are additional measures that they want, then we will work with them to add security, both technical and also access control. We take a focused and sophisticated approach to security. That's one of the reasons we made the decision to have proprietary security and not use contractors. A lot of our security officers also have government security clearances. We have a really eclectic customer base because of our range of facilities. So we have a lot of small customers in some of our facilities, and then in some of our other facilities, we are tailored to customers in industries that are highly regulated, like healthcare, like financial services, like government, and customers that require large spaces. We work very closely with our customers to understand what their requirements are, and then to tailor our solution to them, whether it's around the data center itself and their footprint in the data center, or how we secure and protect their equipment and their information. We are uniquely suited in the data center industry. We're not just a data center provider, we're an information management company. That digital transformation journey that our customers are on, we have the ability, unlike most of our competitors, to take them along that journey and to provide solutions for them wherever they are and wherever they're going, and to give them that level of comfort that information that they're providing to us, regardless of its format, is going to be protected and provided back to them when they need it. Our customers are relying on the availability of that information, and a lot of them have traditionally kept it in-house. So when they are thinking about giving somebody else the responsibility of housing it and protecting it, they have to have a level of confidence, and that's the business that Iron Mountain is in. It's about giving our customers confidence.